incluida, Sila.
Thank you to have
Do you
me.
want to say anything?
Well, hello everybody. My name's Darcilla. I have known Victor for a while. He's a great guy, very professional, and he's going to be taking care of my hair today and also my makeup. Very excited to be working with him as well. So this should be very exciting.
Power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain.
And also the makeup, and I'm looking forward to seeing you more often. Thank you very much. God bless you.
So, I'm going to be going to New York tomorrow for a shoot, actually, with a photographer that shoots for the Maybelline commercial, so I'm very excited about that. I'm very happy that now I have my new hairstyle, so I'll be able to rock it.
Thanks a lot.
To break every